Well, hello, Internet. On today's video, we're helping out a fellow YouTuber. His name's Joe. He's from Alabama, and he's just learning how to edit. He reached out to me. He wants me to give him a shout out. He emailed me asking for help. Here's my DIY video for him on how to edit with his iPhone and the iMovie app. So let's get out and get it.
Come on, let's go to the house.
Man on a mission.
In the house. Let's go.
Man on a plan. Man on a mission.
Okay, dude, let's do it.
Better than last man.
For my life, and I lived in a bad area where storms come through. Well, heck, it was a bad area in general. People in...
Okay, Joe, this is how you do it. You got your camera, which you have the same camera as I do. I don't know what kind of camera you got. Mine's an Apple. You're sitting here and you're filming like this, and you're just talking and talking and talking. I've been watching you now for 5 minutes, and all I've seen is this pole. You're talking up a good storm, but what you need to do is hit the stop button, right? You sit there like this, watching the pole, and switch it around and start to talk. And then what you want to do is just make sure that you sit there and go and tell about the storm last night and how it rolled in there and shook the trailer, and then you go like this and you say, oh, it looks like I might have got something going there. You know, get the audience there curious and say, oh, guess what? Nope, nothing there. But sure is a nice day, a little bit cloudy. And let's go back to me telling you about my grandma, right? She was over there having coffee with me the other morning, and I'm telling you, she drank all my coffee. Can you believe that? No, I can't believe that either. But okay. So that's the beginning. All the filming was on here, I think. This isn't going to be easy for me because I used 2 cameras. But these are your videos I did today, and I believe these are the ones we uploaded. So what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to create the movie. And then I'm going to add the other 3 in. Videos. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 7, 8 videos. You see that? Okay, Joe, this is how you do it. You got your camera, which you have the same camera as I do. I don't know what kind of camera you got. Mine's an Apple. So I'm talking to you. Then I'm going to show you some stuff to do. I'm talking about it. It's a long video, but I need to get rid of it. Right? I'll show you some tricks later, but let's just get you on the thing here. What I'm talking about is how to film with that little camera there, but I'm shooting it with a different camera. So don't worry about that. Worry about what I'm saying and how we're using that camera. Okay? So I got the video all online. Now I'm showing you how to do it, and then this is how you do it. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Right? And then we're going to show you how to edit and stuff like this. Okay? So I'll show you in increments. So
it was a bad area in general.
We fade out of here and we go into the next video where the camera's set up. So I got to wait till I sit down. Okay, Joe. Okay, Joe. So I got to back it up. Okay, now I see how I'm not talking and I'm looking at my phone. Well, if I tap on my thing there, then I can split. And I'm pretty sure you know how to split. I'm going to take this stuff here. That goes on the floor. Okay? So now I'm sitting here like this.
Storms come through. Well, heck, it was a bad area in general. People in...
Okay, Joe, this is how you do it. Right? Your camera, which you have the same camera as I do. I don't know. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Get to the next part. You're filming. I'm babbling away. And you're just talking. See? Talking and talking. I've been watching you now for 5 minutes, and all I've seen is this pole. You're talking up a good storm, but what you need to do is hit the button. Okay? So back here is when I hit the button, I realized I wasn't filming. But I can see that when I hit the button, I'm actually right there, I start filming. Okay? So I'm going to stop it there because the next part that's going to come, I'm going to leave this in and I'm going to cut it. Split it. See, it's split again. And then I'm going to go find the piece. Well, you'll see what happens. Okay. So watch this.
Hit the stop button.
That's what you said on the last one. So I'll watch this through until I flip the thing over.
And then you can either go like this.
See what I did?
And switch.
But I'm going to do this. Okay? Because it doesn't like that because he's going to change here really quick. And I'm going to split it, right? Now I split it again because I don't want this crap. You know that. You've done it. I've seen it. Delete it. Now, those little squares there in the middle, I don't know how you guys put it in yours. And then I usually just put a fade in there. Right? So it switches. You don't have to.
Watch the poll and switch it around and start to talk. And then what you want to do is just make sure that you sit there and go and tell about the storm last night and how it rolled in there and
see, you just
shook the trailer and then you go like this.
See?
Oh, it looks like I might have got something.
Right? I might have got something.
You see, oh, it looks.
Split. Back up.
In there and shook the trailer and then you go rolled in there and shook the trailer and
get rid of the garbage. And you can either put that in or go straight into it.
And shook the trailer and then it looks like I might have got something going there. You know, get the audience there curious and say, oh, that's what? Nope, nothing there. But sure is a nice day, a little bit cloudy.
You see how that works? So you kind of know the basics, but that's what you kind of have to do on a regular basis. The human brain has two eyes connected to it. You need to keep these eyes busy. And if I keep staring at your fishing rod and the things roll in, I'm going to get bored really easy because our brains are hyperactive. It's because we watch TV. We grew up watching TV and humans are always in front of the thing and it's flashing lights and it's like going to the casino. You know, ding, 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 ding. And the more blinking they do, the more energy you're getting. Oh my God, right? So that's what you want to have in your videos. You need to keep doing it. I know it's a lot of extra work and I know it's hard to learn, but that's how you're going to gain more views and more subscribers. You have to entertain them and you can't do it just by talking. If you watch a talk show, you're not just focused on one person. It will go to the person that's being interviewed and it might spend 10 seconds with them or it'll let them finish a bit of a story, but they'll always fade over to the guy that's asking the questions and catch him laughing or something like this. They're constantly moving. And I bet you if you look for how many times they splice and go back and forth in any movie, any show, or anything, you're going to notice that there's approximately 10 seconds that they will do it. You can count to 10 and they'll show you a new scene. And then the camera angle will change again. And then the camera angle will change. So that's what I'm trying to get off to you. And I'm going to show you here by editing this a little bit more. Okay? And I'll put it together. And then if I see anything interesting that I want to show you, I'll videotape it.
Got something going there. It looks like I might have got something going there.
Hey?
You go like this and you say, oh, it looks like I might have got something going there. It looks like I might have got something going there.
Cut it. Splice it. There we go.
Oh, it looks like I might have got something going there. You know, get the audience there curious and say, oh, that's what? Nope, nothing there. But sure is a nice day, a little bit cloudy.
Okay.
A little bit cloudy. But let's go.
Split. Get rid of rid of the crap. Put a little fader in there.
Nice day, a little bit cloudy, but let's go back to me telling you about my grandma. Right? She was over there having coffee with me the other morning, and I'm telling you, she drank all my coffee. Can you believe that? No, I can't.
Hang on. Okay,
She
this is
drank
kind of
all
fun.
my coffee. Can you believe that? No.
Right? Then I throw this in.
Oh, okay.
So what I should do here is cut this out. See that little spot there where I'm swapping? Okay? So I go like this. Back it up a bit.
Can you believe that? No, I can't believe that either. But says
Oh, I should have stayed with the first O.
either. But says somebody out there in a boat. Okay.
Okay.
In a boat.
Oops. Okay, I lost it. Oh, damn.
Can't believe that either.
I don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm playing with it too hard. Look at this. I got a bunch of crap here, right?
Beginning.
That's the beginning. Oh, that one's no good. Oh, I'll throw that one away. I already threw one away. Oh, maybe it starts here.
Yeah, sorry. I remember you don't have a laptop.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Laptop.
Okay.
So that's the beginning.
I did a bit on how to do it on the laptop, and then you don't have one.
Remember you don't have
So I'm apologizing, but I'm going to cut that out because I just told you. We're going to split it, get rid of that, and delete it. Come on, delete it. There we go.
So that's the beginning. All the filming was on here, I think. No, it wasn't. It was on this one. But hang on.
So now I got to pull the film off that I've been filming, showing you this and how to edit. And it's all on here. I'm going to pick it off. I'm going to put it on here. I'll edit it up so it gives you something to watch and hopefully understand a little bit more about what I've been emailing you about. Okay? Enjoy. Well, I truly do hope that helped. Or it confused them, one of the two. It was just a little thing I wanted to throw together to help the guy out. That's what it's all about, helping others. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace, love, and granola.
If you're liking what you see here, please join the Dude and I on YouTube and check out more of my videos where you can subscribe, like, and comment.
We're at the VanLife, man.